So I think VP race gas is around $15 or $20 a gallon, just depending on where you get it. And then your average 87 octane is around $3.50 a gallon right now, at least up here it is. So is it worth the extra cost of the VP race gas in your average stage 2 mini bike? So I have the Azusa bike with the 212 Ghost, and it has the Go Power Sports stage 2 kit. So this bike has a billet flywheel, billet rod, a Fire 265 cam versus the hot 265 cam that normally comes in the kit. Then it has upgraded valve springs and a header pipe. Then it's running a 60-tooth rear sprocket and then a 15 on the clutch with about a 10.5 inch tall tire, so it's a really low profile tire. So does the Stage 2 Ghost have the compression and the timing to take advantage of the VP racing gas, or will it run just as well with 87 octane? So I'm gonna run the bike 0 to 30 and top speed with 87 octane, and then I'll drain the tank and refill with VP 110 race gas. Then I'll take it back out for a 0 to 30 and top speed, and we'll see how it compares. I think I'll run the bike top speed first, that way it'll be nice and warmed up for the 0 to 30 test.
Okay, top speed run, Ghost, 87 octane.
.81 miles per hour. 59.81. So now I'll do a 0 to 30 and we'll see what it does.
0 to 30, 212 Ghost on the Azusa bike, 87 octane.
Okay, let's see what it did to 0 to 30. So the first 0 to 30 was 4.76. Now let me try one the other way and we'll see what it does.
Second attempt, 0 to 30, stage 2 Ghost with 87 octane.
Okay, second attempt, 0 to 30, 4.33, so it was quite a bit quicker that time, going the other way. So I'll do it both ways with both types of gas. Okay, so with the 87 octane, the bike did 4.33 0 to 30, and then 59.81 top speed. So now I will drain out the 87 and add the VP 110 and take it back out for the same test, and we'll see what it does. Drain this 87 octane out of here. So got the 87 out of there, so now I'll throw in some VP 110. Okay, got the VP 110 in there, so now I'll cruise it around to get the 87 octane out of the bowl. Then I'll do a top speed run first.
Run 212 Ghost with Fire 265 running on VP 110.
Feels like it runs pretty good. Definitely smells good. A 59.85. I mean, so it was just a tad faster, just a little bit faster. So now I'll do a 0 to 30 and we'll see what it does. See if we can beat 4.33. Okay, 0 to 30. VP 110 race gas and go. All right, let's see what it did. I did 5 seconds flat, so it was a little bit slower. Let me try that again. Okay, second attempt, 0 to 30, VP race gas and it goes. All right, let's see what it did. Second time around, 4.62, so it was still a little bit slower even that way. So let me try it again. Let me try it one more time just to make sure.
third attempt. VP 110 race gas in the Ghost. Okay, let's see what it did for the third attempt. 0 to 30. A 4.60. So it's definitely slower from 0 to 30.
So pretty much the bike did identical top speeds, 59.81 with 87 octane and 59.85 with BP 110. And then 0 to 30, the bike was definitely quicker with the 87 octane. Did 4.33 with the 87 best time, and then 4.60 with the VP 110. I'm sure with the detonation resistance of the VP 110, I could advance the timing and probably gain some of that 0 to 30 time back, and I could probably even add more compression. But with your average tune on your average mini bike, it looks like it really doesn't make a difference.